When talking about automobile royalty, one mythical name always pops up in your head: Ferrari. This is the Ferrari 275 GTB from 1965. But what makes this car unique is its colour. It's called Oro Longchamp, and it is unique to this car. The 275 replaced the iconic 250. When the guys from Maranello had to think about replacing it, they knew it wasn't going to be an easy task. The new car had to be faster, more beautiful, better. In 1964 was born the Ferrari 275 GTB. Inspired by the amazing 250 GTO, the car was designed by Piedmont and produced by Scaglietti. And the engine was still this amazing V12, but now with more capacity, more power. The driving dynamics were better than ever, a true racing car for the road. Today, the 275 GTB is a highly collectible piece of automobile, but do not think of this car as a garage queen. This is a car that needs to be driven.